How to claim Discord Nitro without or with no credit card. No, first things first, if you are claiming or open up a gift from one of your inventory right here, there is actually no need for you to use a credit card. Now you will be only using your credit card if you will subscribe to one of their nitros, and if you would also like to send gift nitro to a certain person or to a certain account. So again, all you have to do is just go to your gift inventory if you or if someone has given you out a gift for nitro gift, and then all you have to do is just to redeem that or pull it up, and there's no need for you to use up any credit card. But if you would like to, have a gift a Nitro to a random person, then all you have to do is you can also try to use a PaySafe card. But take note, PaySafe card will actually be a limited payment method of some of the countries. Then all you have to do is just use it if it's going to be available for your country and without using your credit card. So that's how you claim your Discord Nitro without using your credit card.